So in today's video, we're going to be installing this Refoss smart Wi-Fi garage door opener. With this Wi-Fi garage door controller, you can open and close your garage remotely anywhere you are, and you can also monitor your garage door if it's open or not. Now let's unbox this one. So this is the garage door sensor. So with this magnetic strip, you can monitor if the garage is open or closed. And this is the actual unit. Where you have to wire your existing garage door so you can control it. So this is a USB adapter. So this is where you're gonna plug your power up this remote garage door controller. So you will plug your the sensor here on this red wire, like that, and this one you will connect it to your garage door to control it open or close in this two wire here. You also have the instruction here. So this is the other magnetic sensor that you have to screw it onto the door. So when this lines up magnetically, it's gonna send a signal to the sensor that to the unit. It's gonna send a signal to the unit that the garage is either closed or open. So this works with the 2.4 gig signal on your Wi-Fi. So you have to download the eHome Life app and choose garage door opener. Open up the eHome Life app. Okay, here we have to log it in first. So after you log it in, you have to go sign up and log in. Then you have to choose Smart Garage Door Opener and then Smart Garage Door 100, because this is the 100 series, RSG 100. So we have to check if the wall button terminal there that's connected to the garage door opener by shorting it out to see if the garage door is working. And I checked it already. So here we put yes, it works. So when you install this, it has to be less than 1 inch apart to work. So now it says garage door closed because they're together. If you separate them, then the sensor will sense that it's open. Okay, the rest are the instructions how to install this onto the garage opener. And now let's do the installation. So here I'm gonna tie wrap the controller on the bracket on the garage door motor. So these two wires from the controller has to be connected to the two wires that's coming out from the garage door switch. They have to be connected in parallel. I have to unplug these two wires from the garage door switch. Then I have to connect them with the two wires coming from the controller. After wiring them together, plug back the two wires back to the motor. So I'm gonna put one of the magnetic sensor on this side of the garage door. Then I will install the other sensor on the opposite side. After that, I have to run back the wire all the way to the controller. Then plug the two red connectors together. Then tie wraps all the wiring from the sensor back to the controller. Tie wrap all the extra wiring together. Cut all the excess tie wraps. So we're gonna check all the wiring. So this is where I put the two wires coming from the controller back to the motor, parallel with the control switch from the garage door opener. So the power supply is plugged in. All the wiring looks good. So this is how I run the cable from the sensor, from the door sensor, all the way back to the controller. Now I'm gonna do the test to make sure everything is fine and working. So this app can be installed on Apple or Android cell phone, and you can monitor and control your garage door anywhere you are, as long as you have Wi-Fi connection. If you're interested in this smart Wi-Fi garage door opener, I'll put down the link on the description below for you to check them out. So everything is working fine. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and like, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.